So today I'm going to be talking about everything Kajabi pricing in order for you to make an informed decision and decide which pricing plan is right for you and your online business. It's probably one of the most common questions I get asked: which price plan should I start with? Is Kajabi overpriced? Can I do it on a budget? All these questions I'm going to answer in this video. As Kajabi has been seen to be a premier product and quite a high price point, other people have been trying to duct tape different software platforms together. And I'm going to showcase to you today that Kajabi has been listening to all the feedback it's been getting, and it has increased the number of pricing plans it has. And actually, only just last week, it's tweaked one of the price plans. So if you stay all the way to the end, I'm going to showcase how I use Kajabi in my online business, and I have something to offer you as well. So in order to show everything Kajabi pricing, I'm going to dive straight on over into my desktop. So here I am inside my desktop, and all I've done is I've just Googled Kajabi pricing. There's a sponsored ad for Kajabi pricing, or you can just click onto Kajabi pricing. This is a 14-day free trial that you can get with this platform, or you can just navigate to kajabi.com/pricing. So first off, you can actually see that there are 4 different pricing tiers, or 4 different plans, 4 different entry points. And you can see here a little toggle. Annual is 20% off. So I'm going to talk about the monthly price plans, because if you're starting out in online business, it's pretty much the one you're going to start with. Unless you have a bit of investment behind you, you can actually spring for the annual plan. You do pay upfront in an annual plan. So it is, yes, it is this price, but you'll build annually. So it's this price times 12, but then you get 20% off. So I'm just going to talk about the monthly price plans. So we have 4 plans: Kickstarter, Basic, Growth, and Pro. Now, in full transparency, Kickstarter hasn't always been here, and Kajabi has been seen to be a bit of a sort of premium product. So it had Basic, Growth, and Pro. So the barrier to entry was quite high on $149 a month. Now, they have actually done a lot of testing with this new Kickstarter plan, and up until just last week, this was $69 a month, but it didn't include some of the features that I'm going to go through today. So you could actually get in the door for $69 a month. Sometimes they do promos for getting money off different plans, but as it stands today, you can get access for the Kickstarter plan at $89 a month. So the Kickstarter plan is exactly where I started a few years ago on this platform, as I think it's a really good plan to get started, as it is the lowest, but there are a few limitations. I started on the Kickstarter plan, and as my business grew, I went onto the Basic, and now I am on the Growth plan. That's what I recommend everyone to do, is start at a plan that makes sense for you. It's all about the requirements that you need in your online business. So let's go through those now. So every plan starts with one website. Now, what does this mean? This means that you can have your domain. If you've purchased a domain like myawesomebusiness.com, this means that you can access Cloudflare through Kajabi and point everything to your Kajabi site. So you can have one live website. Now, up until very recently, you only had one product with this Kickstarter plan. Now you can have one product plus one community. So the reason being, Kajabi is making a big push for community and building your own paid community on their platform, that they've gifted the Kickstarter plan a community plus one other product. That's why it's gone from $69 to $89. But what is a product? A product can be anything like a course, a group coaching program, a one-on-one coaching program, a paid podcast, any downloadables, or a paid newsletter. So you only have one product. That is your maximum limit on this plan. If you wanted any more than one product other than community, you'll have to upgrade. So that is the main limiting factor with Kickstarters. You only have one product and one community, but you can actually make quite a bit of revenue with just having one community or having a community plus a product. Then the next thing here is 250 contacts. Now, these are email addresses, people that have opted into your world. Again, this is quite limiting. If you have a large audience, the 250 contacts, you might need more than that. 7,500 marketing emails. This is the only plan that has limited marketing emails. All of the other plans have unlimited marketing emails. But like I say, this is typically a good plan to start with, just to get to know the platform, just to see if this is right for you. But what they do have is unlimited landing pages. Now, this is a great asset for any online business. As you're building out your website, you don't want to be limited by the number of landing pages you can create. Now, a landing page is anything like a lead capture page or even a sales page. Kajabi do offer a group onboarding call with all of these programs. They want you to get better success on their platform, so they offer a free group onboarding call for anyone joining their program. Kajabi have their own integrated AI chatbot, which I'll show you through in a minute, but this just basically gives you a little bit more integration of AI into your account, so you have almost like an AI coach helping you with the copy for your sales pages and your programs. And lastly, you have Creator Studio, which is an inbuilt studio tool with Adobe that you can actually repurpose a lot of your video content across socials. So that's the Kickstarter plan. Then just be mindful of these limitations and just understand what you need as you're starting out. You might not need anything in addition to this plan. Now moving on to the basic plan, this is $149 if you're paying monthly, and you still get that one website. But the upgrades you get here are 3 products. So you obviously get the community product, you get another 2 products. So you could have a community product, you could have a course product, and then you could have a coaching product, for example. The contacts goes up to 10,000. So if you have a bigger audience, this might be the ceiling that you hit, 250 contacts that you upgrade to 10,000 contacts. But here now you have unlimited marketing emails. So there is no cap on your marketing emails, unlimited landing pages. You get that group onboarding call, the Kajabi AI, and the Creator Studio. So the extra feature here, you actually get third-party integrations. So this includes anything like Zapier or ClickFunnels. If you have a MailChimp account or anything like that you wanted to integrate into the back end of your Kajabi, this is where the basic plan comes into its own. But like I said, I started on the Kickstarter plan for the longest time until I upgraded to the basic plan when it was right for my business. So when I hit the ceilings of either the product limit, in my space, it was the product limit, but if your contacts limit or if your marketing emails hit any sort of the ceilings, you should then upgrade to the basic. It's really simple to do. Then moving on to the growth plan, which is most popular, again, paying monthly, it's at $199 a month. Now we still have one website, but we move up to 15 products. So if products is your limit with the actual basic plan, you have from 3, then you can move up to 15 products by upgrading here. Your 10,000 contacts moves to 25,000 contacts. You still have unlimited marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, that group onboarding call, Kajabi AI, Creator Studio, and third-party integrations. But you get a bunch of other stuff too. So the additional features includes 24/7 support. So round the clock, you can get chat support 24/7. Affiliate programs, if you wanted to promote any of your products or services, you actually have an affiliate dashboard within your Kajabi account. And so you can offer people percentages of revenue if you're doing a promotion. Custom domain, this just means that you can send emails from your domain. Custom branding, this just means that you can take off any Kajabi branding on your website and just lead with your branding first. Multiple admin users, if you do have a team, you can access or you can allow them access just by logging in as admin. And webhooks, these are basically automations that you can trigger third-party integrations as well at any kind of conversion level event if you're all about automations. And then finally, the Pro at $399 a month. If you do need these features, then this could be right for you. But like I say, the growth is plenty big enough for me and most of the other sellers that I know. But if you do need multiple products, like 100 products, if you had a lot of products, then this might be right for you. But in here, you get 3 websites. So if it was one website wasn't enough for you, if you had 2 brands, then you could probably upgrade to Pro to get 3 websites. Now, these can be different companies, different brands, but they need to be directly linked back to you. 100 products. Now, this is if you were selling lots and lots of smaller products, then this plan might be for you. 100,000 contacts if you had a really large audience. Again, unlimited marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, which is fantastic. That group onboarding call, the Kajabi AI bot, Creator Studio for repurposing, third-party integrations, 24/7 support, affiliate program, custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users and webhooks. But then here you get the custom code editor. So if you were really into coding and development, you could actually edit the liquid code within all of your pages. You have some sort of rollback features, so you just have a lot more ownership of how the page presents itself. But a word of warning, if you are not a coder, I probably wouldn't mess about with the custom coding, because every time Kajabi updates the theme, you might have to go in and change your coding. Top tip, if you stay with everything off the shelf and use all of the Kajabi branding and themes, then as soon as they update their theme, you can just one click and update everything you have in terms of landing pages, products, and websites. And if you're still not sure what is right for you, Kajabi have got this nice little table here. It basically tabulates everything that we've just been walking through today and a little bit more. You've got advanced automations, but if you're still not sure, you can actually click Find My Planning, just go through this little quiz. It's going to ask you a series of questions, and then all you need to do is respond to that. And then it's going to recommend you one of these plans. But if you're looking at pricing, I'd recommend starting on the Kickstarter on the monthly and then just upgrade as your business grows. So here we are inside my live account, and I was just going to show you a few things as promised. So if you were to click in the top right-hand corner here, this little magic icon, the chatbot or the AI chatbot will appear, AMA, Ask Me Anything, or AMA. This is a really good example of using some sort of learning model to train in terms of everything you are about. So I would really get to grips with leveraging AI in this day and age and start off by asking it, hey, what would you need to know from me if I was to build out this business? And these are my ideal clients. I want to sell this kind of stuff. What information would you need to know from me? And just open that dialogue with ChatGPT or AMA as you're in your Kajabi account, and you got that opportunity to then train it on what you're all about. So when it comes to creating a sales page or creating the outline of a program, it's going to help you no end. And now looking into the third-party integrations, if you go into your account and click on the bottom left into settings, and then integrations and webhooks, email integrations like Aweber, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Drip, ActiveCampaign. If you have any of these accounts, you can integrate these. Analytics like Segment, Google Analytics, or Facebook Pixel. This is now where your payment providers are connected, Stripe and PayPal, or anything like Zapier or ClickFunnels. So this is when you can have third-party integrations from the basic plan and upwards. So looking into how to actually build out a Kajabi site, then if I go into settings and then domain, once you have linked up your domain through Kajabi, you'll have a live domain through your domain settings. And then marketing, email domain settings, you can have a custom email domain, so sending from your domain. So what I would say is just start with website design, choose a theme, click into the template store, choose a theme that you like. I'd probably say keep it really simple with something like Streamlined Home, and then just start building out the design. So everything you see on my domain is all Kajabi. So here I've built it out using this customized page, but then anytime you want to see how your website presents, you can just click preview, and then everything here is built out through Kajabi. So my home page, my landing pages, all my about pages, all my opt-in pages and sales pages, all built with Kajabi. It's very simple. It's a click and drag and drop. You can edit within the actual page builder itself or on the left-hand side. And I have done lots of video walkthroughs on how to build out landing pages and sales pages that I will link up to this video. So there we have it, super quick walkthrough on Kajabi pricing. Hopefully by the end of this video now, you've got an idea of which pricing point is right for you. And believe me, it does save a lot of stress, time and energy going for one platform that does pretty much everything you need in online business. But as you've stayed all the way to the end, as promised, I've got a special offer for you. I want to offer you 30 days free trial of this platform so you can take it for a spin and see what it's all about. See if it's right for you. All you need to do is go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and use my link to sign up and get your new account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment comes back to me at no extra cost to you if you decide to continue using Kajabi above those 30 days free trial. But as a thank you from me using my link, I'm going to grant you access to Kajabi Unboxed, which is my free program. This is if I was to unbox a Kajabi account tomorrow, this is what I would do first, second, third, and fourth in order to set up for success. And if you do go over those 30 days and become a paying member of Kajabi, I'm going to grant you access to a second program as a second thank you. Just email me tim@timpeakman.com and I'll give you all my sales page templates. You can just simply download them in a zip file and upload them to your account. Super cool. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Hope you found value in this video and you've identified which Kajabi price point you're going to start at. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.